Hello everybody, welcome back to Chemastro's, whatever you want to call this. It's just new videos about crypto Bitcoin. And this episode, we want to talk about something very interesting. We're going to talk about some technical analysis for the price of the Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, mostly Bitcoin because that's what I care about, to be honest. Then we're going to talk about some news and we're going to talk about people's trading ideas too. Maybe going to come even after the technical analysis. So let's just start with the technical analysis. So last time I did mention that September is such a great month. It's a crazy month. September is a month that is usually bearish. And I tried to create some comparisons. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. You might find some interesting information. But it seems like September 2023 is a little different in a way that it just doesn't move. It's not moving, guys. I don't know what's going on. It's not moving at all. Before we go pull the Bitcoin chart, I want to ask you, what do you think of this chart here in front of you? This nice chart. Would you say that this thing here, is it bullish or bearish, this thing, okay? And yeah, like just by taking a look at this one, and this is the 4-hourly, by the way. If you see the stop here and you see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you even know how to count? Like this is the Elliott waves count. Elliott waves, counting Elliott waves. So, and you see here a little bit of divergence, a bearish one, by the way. So if I pull other indicators, like we just see the RSI. People love RSI for whatever reason. It's a big divergence. So in this chart, simple technical analysis, anybody who just knows basic technical analysis, it is going down. Come on, do you agree with me on this or not? Come on, it's super simple. If you even don't like the dark mode, what do you think about that? Come on, super big divergence going on, almost like a rising wedge, and this is a very bearish signal when it's that way. Big divergence RSI, big divergence in the MACD. It just looks really shitty, right? Okay, do you know what's that? I'm pretty sure you know by now if you're a little have good eyes and you can see 1 over BTC. It's pretty much the reversal of BTC. Let's get back to where we at. Let's get back to the normal BTC, okay? What the hell is going on, guys? So if it's bearish on the 1 over BTC, that means it's bullish on the BTC, and that's what I was trying to say, guys. Maybe it's a little easier for you to say it in the other way because your brain might find it easier to pick on a drop than it going up. It's a little trick, but this is very bullish. September is a little weird, but this is very bullish. I'm looking at the chart here, and it's really bullish. I would like to get back to this dark mode. It just looks a little nicer. I don't know what to say, but you have this resistance. If I pull this back, okay, and go to the daily, you can see a big resistance. Let me just take a picture of this and that, okay? So Bitcoin trying to break this. The 25K is a super big, important resistance. Damn, this is just like the marker. Remember, guys, when it happened in May 22nd, like when Bitcoin was going on a free fall and it came all the way back, then broke it one more time, and that was people's. I think this is when FTX got screwed in June. Yeah, exactly. This is when FTX got screwed down. Speaking of that, we're gonna mention Sam Bankman-Fried and his escapades in prison. Just wait till the end of the video. I'm gonna mention that. It's a little funny. I heard that he's getting protected by some Asian gang. Okay, so in June it broke the 25K. When you break the 25K and Bitcoin tried to go and couldn't reach the 25K and go all the way back to create the first bottom and the last bottom for Bitcoin, which the bottom that happened in November 22nd. Tried to break it again, can't go down and started this nice bull. It actually the bull run started here, but maybe it's not too fast. That's why people don't want to call it a bull run, but it is a bull run. Come on. So 25K becomes a support, and now it is still a support, guys. Like this looks a little similar to that. Come on. This looks a little similar to that. So we have this big support line, and if I pull my pivot points, which is my favorite thing in the whole trading, whatever. Okay. So you can see here, just waiting on the pivot point. The 25.1 is a pivot point. It's here, it's around here. You don't have to take it exact. It's just like a little close to it, right? So it's not going to break it. And the next thing is going to be 27. This is our next target, right? The lower pivot point is 24K, 24.2, around 24. But there's a support here around the 25. It's just, I know, it's just stable, right? It is stable. It's holding, I know, it's holding the line. So I'm still believing that Bitcoin is going up. September is a little weird. People are being a little weird. We're hearing news. We're hearing this big chart that happened, this big candle that happened today, because I heard some news happening about the ARK Invest ETF. They applied for it like, I don't know, like 3 hours ago or something like that. And yeah, they see like this, or 4 hours, I don't know. Anyhow, so when this happened, boom, tick, like it was actually for ETH, yeah, for Ethereum. That's why it went all the way up for Ethereum, but it went down again because I feel like there's this agreement across the whole globe that let's not just get full board on this. Let's just wait a little bit for that stupid BlackRock ETF. It's just holding, everybody's holding their breath, can't breathe till the ETF get approved, because they will get approved. Don't worry about that. So overall, I don't think Bitcoin is going down. This looks bullish to me from a technical analysis. Tell me in the comment section if you don't think it's bullish from a technical analysis point of view. I know. Tell me why I'm wrong. But I think I'm right, then give me a like and subscribe, because I'm just trying to build my channel. I'm at the start. Give me a little subscribe, a little encouragement. Tell me how good I am, because I'm really good. Come on. Okay, so the next thing, we want to take a look at people's ideas. I like to take a look at what people think, because they might have something very interesting to say. Let's see the newest one. Bitcoin is still targeting $100. What's that? That's not even Bitcoin. That's something where, let's see. That's some derivatives of Bitcoin. I don't know. BTC USD idea. Let's see what that guy's saying. Or girl, I don't care, that person. BTC can follow a path as in the graph. This is just like a normal idea. It's not showing much. Like follow the path. Okay, fine. He's not explaining what's going on, but it seemed like there's a downtrend up. Okay. He didn't explain. It seemed like he's trying to say that there's a support here. That's what I said at the start. He's trying to, this is support, and it's gonna get back to the main trend line. I like the idea of the support. I don't know if this makes any sense. The trend line one. Okay, let's see the next idea. Okay, BTC ideal setup. So that guy thinks it's long. Let's see. He has this cool logo. If you find this information, boost or follow. Okay, comment another potential pump off 25.4. First I'm out of this area. I do have a small long case. Blah blah blah. Okay, so what is he expecting? I don't really understand. Why wave 5 complete? There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, first of all, that looks weird. Oh, 1 came here. 1, 2. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I was counting, right? That's exactly what I was counting on the other side. See, it's a little easier when you have it on the other side, by the way. It is a little easier when you have it reversed. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I agree with you. This is 5, so you're gonna expect something here. Okay, still bullish. Very strong pattern. Seems like everybody's thinking it's bullish. Oh, that's not even Bitcoin. Okay, can I filter by? No, you can't filter by that thing. Ethereum's prefer to sell into rallies. Bitcoin and Ethereum bullish case. Yeah, I agree. They're both of them are following each other. Okay, I'm not seeing anybody coming with a strong shorting Bitcoin argument. So I don't know. Seems like everybody's still think it's bullish. I still believe that we're just waiting for new people to come in. We're just waiting for the ETF, because it's gonna bring more people. Like everybody who has Bitcoin now, they're not selling. They believe in Bitcoin. That's why it's not moving. We're just waiting for new people to come. That's why the trading volume is a little low. Okay, big companies are waiting. They're waiting to come in. So it seemed like the market sentiment over traders is still bullish, but there's not so much trading volume. That's why you're not seeing that. So for the news that happened the last 2 days, actually one of them happened today, which is big news. Cathie Woods, and I knew about this actually from a tweet by Lark Davis. Shout out to him. He said that ARK Invest has filed for a spot Ethereum ETF with the SEC. Huge news for the market. I 100% approve what he said. Really good thing. This is a really good thing, guys. So Cathie Woods, ARK Invest files for the first. Cathie Woods is an awesome lady. Shout out to her. She's a great lady. She's very rich. Like, I didn't even know what the hell did she do to get that rich. That's really good. Hopefully one day I'm gonna be that rich, and my name will be here, Chemastros. It's not gonna be ARK Invest. What should it be? It should be like Sky is my limit. Invest. That'll be the name of the company. The sky is my limit. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so invest files for first spot ETF. Blah blah blah. The ARK. So pretty much they apply for ETF like BlackRock went for Bitcoin. They're like, hey, we're not gonna compete with BlackRock. Why don't we just get our own thing? Ethereum. What's going on? They go for the Ethereum because BlackRock takes Bitcoin ETF. They take Ethereum. Big companies come, we want to buy the juice, right? And you and I get, okay. So analysts, BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF made at least $30 trillion. So that's very interesting. Even though when I hear the word analyst, I feel like it's a little weird, but that one is actually cool. And there's an argument behind it, which is how much money in the world? You know what I'm saying? Because the question is, if you have something that a lot of people are interested in it, so the limit is how much demand, right? Is it? So if you think about it, like if everybody really want to get that Bitcoin, maybe the limit is how much money in the whole world, maybe a percentage of that. But literally at one point, they're going to be like a parabolic, because when it goes mainstream and everybody just want to be part of this, yeah, a lot of people going to lose money through the process. And a lot of people not going to make anything, but this is the power of trends. This is the power of just people going all at the same direction, right? Because the amount of money in the world is fixed. But through the process, there's some magic that happens that can make a lot of people win at the same time. And those who are not going to win, they're still going to feel positive. And this is like global growth, right? And there's still a few people that are going to get crushed. You don't want to be one of them, do you? Okay. So, yeah, pretty much this is a really good thing. The BlackRock, we're all waiting for it. Hopefully it gets approved. And this is amazing that the Cathie Woods, ARK Invest are doing that too for Ethereum. It's just bringing more people to the realm of the crypto. Amazing thing going on. Yeah, so this is really good. I really feel very positive about this. For the funny news, like I told you, Sam Bankman-Fried's laptop has a new battery, new blah, blah, blah. It seemed like that guy is getting a lot of eyes on him now because of what's going. Like that guy is just he was a little weird, I have to say. And I didn't lose money because of him, to be honest. I lost money from BlockFi. Another guy, Machinsky, whatever his name is, from Sildius. But that guy is one of the really bad people who put crypto in jeopardy, right? So I don't really want to hope the worst for people, but I hope you get a fair correction to whatever anything wrong he did, right? So, and yeah, the Asian gang thing, if you go Asian gang, Sam Bankman-Fried, it's funny, eh? Meet the Asian gang protecting Sam, roommates in Bahamas. Seems like he's getting some nice roommates and stuff. He's going into the prison politics. I don't wish for anybody to go to prison. It's not a good thing, but it's a little funny, to be honest. And it's okay. It is what it is. And that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched till this part, again, subscribe, please. I need more subscribers. I'm growing my channel, and just stay amazing.